Okay. So, any you have any query in that exponent chapter? Any question you want to discuss? Everyone, please switch on your camera. Yes. Anything you want to discuss from exponent chapter? No. Done. Okay.
Sir, one question.
Yeah. Tell me. RS Agarwal. From RS Agarwal, Chetna.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And tell me exercise.
2C.
Okay. 2C, which one?
10th question.
2C, 10th question. The question is 2 to the power 3x minus 1 plus 10 divided by 7 equals to 6. Then find the value of x. Okay. So 2 to the power 3x minus 1 plus 10 equals to, or we can write it like this: 2 to the power 3x minus 1 plus 10 multiply by 1 by 7 equals to 6. 2 to the power 3x minus 1 plus 10, 7 6 are 42. 2 to the power 3x minus 1, this goes other side, becomes 32. 42 minus 10 is 32. Now 2 to the power 3x minus 1 equals to 2 to the power, what is 32?
5.
5. So can we equate 3x minus 1 equals to 5? 3x equals to 6, x is equals to 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other question? Okay. Then we'll start a new chapter, that is area. Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so area chapter will start. So actually, if we'll talk about the figures, you know, parallelogram, trapezium, everything we have already learned. So now how to find the area of those figures? So in your school, which school has started this area chapter?
My school, NCFE.
NCFE has.
Sir,
NCFE.
we have this for exam also.
Okay. So they have taught trapezium na? And polygon. Area of trapezium and polygon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else apart from that?
Area of circle and all that.
So rhombus,
Numbers.
rhombus, area of trapezium.
Area of trapezium, area of polygon, area, and then
Quadrilateral, polygon.
that's what I said, polygon. Area of trapezium, area of polygon. Anything else?
Rhombus.
Rhombus. Okay.
Sir, and then circles also.
Pardon?
Area of circle.
Area of circle. From Longman, na?
Yes, sir.
189. Acha, KV's school, what all chapters they have covered in your school?
The practical geometry they started newly, so, and the others, rational numbers, linear equations in one variable,
Mm-hmm.
and understanding quadrilaterals.
standing quadrilateral, which we have done it, na?
Yes, sir.
Which one we have not done? Anyone which we have not done?
Sir, practical geometry.
Practical geometry. Okay, okay. ठीक है. When is your exam? NCFE, when is your exam? This chapter exam?
Hello, sir. Yeah.
When is your
Sir,
exam?
10th August.
10th August. Okay.
Sir, I think they are going to postpone it, so we have to confirm it tomorrow and I'll tell you.
Why they are postponing it?
I don't know.
Yes, I won't postpone.
No. For primary, they have said they are postponing because my sister, she had live class today and they said that. So I'll just check again with my teacher and I'll tell you.
Okay, okay. ठीक है. So let's start the chapter area of this plane figure. So when we talk about it's a rectangle, we know that area of rectangle is what? If this is width and this is length, so area is L into B. Okay, and perimeter means what? All.
2 into L plus B.
So 2L plus 2B is equals to 2L plus B. Okay, this is rectangle. If I talk about square, all the four sides are equal. So if this is A and this is also A, so area will be
A square.
area of square is equals to A square, and perimeter of square 4A means A plus A plus A plus A is 4A. Correct? Third is triangle. Area of triangle. If this is base, and when we say height, when we talk about height, that is perpendicular, always perpendicular. So from here, if we drop a perpendicular, this one, this will be height. Just hold on a second. Yes. So when we talk about area of triangle, will be equals to half into this distance, that is base, into height. This is what is area of a triangle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now next one, have you written this first rectangle?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Parallelogram. So figures, so you know, because we have studied what is parallelogram and everything. So now parallelogram, okay, we'll leave it. This will be the height. When we talk about height, this is height, this is base. So when we talk about area of parallelogram, it will be this base into height. Parallelogram will be base into height. Can you see some of the relevance between triangle and parallelogram? Triangle is half into base into height. Area of triangle is half into base into height. Area of parallelogram is base into height.
Base into height.
Because parallelogram is made up of two triangles, one triangle and two triangles. So each triangle, if this is one triangle, its base is B and height is H. So we will write it for figure 1. We can write half into base into height, and for figure 2 again we can write half into base is same, opposite sides are same, so base is same, and these two are parallel lines, so height will remain same. This is also will be H into height. So adding these two becomes B into H. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what's the perimeter, sir? I don't know.
Perimeter, if this is B and this is A, so it will be B plus A plus B plus A. That is 2B plus A. Now circle. Circle, you know what is radius? So area of circle pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square, and circumference 2 pi r. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these formulas should be on your tips, because you are not supposed to refer back what is the formula. Just give a minute time and check out all the formulas and register it in your mind.
Sir, pi is equal to 3.14 or 22 by 7.
Pardon?
Sir, pi is equal to 3.14 or
22 by 7.
22
22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay, both you can, as per your calculation convenience, you can consider both of it. Now I will, have you written and have you gone through that, all the formulas?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question comes, the cost of grassing a rectangular field at rupees per square meter is, find the perimeter. So the question is the cost of grassing a rectangular field. So rectangular field, I will draw a rectangular field. So cost of grassing it means putting grass in this rectangular field will cost rupees 3.5 per meter square. Okay. Is rupees total amount total amount 756 rupees one has spent, and the perimeter is in the ratio of Find the perimeter of the sites in the ratio. Sorry. So I will make you understand the question. This is a rectangular field. Okay. One person has to do grassing in this field. So what he has to do, he has to pay something. And how he paid? For every square meter, he has paid 3 rupees 50 paisa. For every square meter, he has paid 3 rupees 50 paisa. Let's suppose that whatever is the area, let's suppose the area is 10 meters square. Let's suppose, and at 3 rupees 50 paisa per meter he has paid. So what he will pay? 3.5 into 10 is equal to 35 rupees he has paid. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
please switch on your camera. It's become very monotonous for me. So let's suppose a person has spent 100 rupees for doing the grassing of this field at rupees at 10 rupees per meter square. Total amount he has spent is 100 rupees and he has paid rupees 10 per meter square. Rate was rupees 10 per meter square. So what was the area for which he paid?
Sir, 100 by 10.
100 by 10. So area will be
10.
100 by 10. That is total amount paid. Total amount paid by the rate. Rate means per meter square how much he paid. Rupees 10. So that will give area. Did you get this point? Everyone. Then only I'll go to that question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone who couldn't
Could you
understand, you can ask me.
I don't understand.
Total amount, I have paid 100 rupees to a gardener. Okay, total amount, I have paid 100 rupees to a gardener to do grassing in this area at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square. At the rate of 10 rupees per meter square. Or let's suppose, next example, I paid to a shopkeeper 100 rupees. I paid a shopkeeper 100 rupees at 10 rupees per chocolate. So how many chocolates I bought? How many chocolate I bought?
Sir, 10.
Dia, how many chocolates I bought?
Sir, 10.
What you did? You paid 100 rupees to a shopkeeper at the rate of rupees 10 per chocolate. How many chocolates you bought?
Sir, 10.
10, but how? $100 divided by 10. Total 100 rupees I paid for 10 rupees 10 per square meter. So total area will be 100 by 10, that is 10 square meter. Similarly, total amount I have paid 756 rupees for this, for sowing the grass or whatever, do grassing at the rate of rupees 3.5 per meter square. So what will be the area of the field? What will be the area of the field?
756 by 3.5.
What is the value?
Sir, 216.
216.
6.
So this is the area of the field, 216 meter square. Correct? Till this point, did you understand? You
Yes,
paid
sir.
whatever
Yes, sir.
total amount what you paid divided by the rate. You will get the area. Now they tell ki sides are in the ratio of 3:2. So this will be 3x and this will be 2x. You have got the area. You have got the area. You know the length 3x, breadth 2x. Can you find x? Area
Yes,
will
sir.
be what? 3x into 2x is equals to 6x square. 6x square is equals to 216. X square is equals to 216 by 6. 6 3s are 18. 6 6 are 36. X is equals to 6. So this will be 3 into 6, 18. This will be 2 into 6, 12.
Sir, I didn't understand that part.
Which part?
Well, I understood till 216 meters square. So
Now,
then
now,
we should
now
multiply
in the
that till
in the
I didn't
question
know.
it is given that length and breadth are in the ratio of 3:2. This is given in the question. These things are given in the question. So length and breadth are in the ratio of 3:2. So can you write it at 3x and 2x? Correct? Sanjit, yes, no, tell me, respond me back. So this area will be what? Area you have already found 216. 3x into 2x is equals to 6x square. And 6x square is equals to 216. Then can you find the value of x?
Sure, can we do it like 6x square into 3.5?
I didn't get it. Come again.
So like, can we do it like 6x square into like 3.5? Then we'll get 21 x square, and then x square equals 756 by 21, and then 6.
Yeah, you can do that way also. Did you get this question properly?
Yes, sir.
Each one of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, second question I will do.
So 1 second, I'm writing.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Next question is, a 2.5 meter wide path runs outside the boundary of a square field whose side is 75 meters. So there is a square field. There is a square field whose side is what? 75 meter. A 2.5 meter wide path runs all around. So this is 2.5 meter. This is 2.5 meter. This is 2.5 meter. And this is 2.5 meter. Okay. A 2.5 meter path runs outside the boundary of a square field 75 meter square. Find the area of the path and the cost. Find the area of the path. So this is a square field and 255 meter road is all around. The question is find the area of this. Okay. So can we find the area of this one? Can we find the area of this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What we will do?
75 into 75.
Very good, because it's a square. So we'll find the area of this. Can we find the area of the bigger one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What will be this? This length will be what?
So
So 75
75 plus 2.5 into 2
75
minus 2
plus
plus
75
2.5 into 2.
plus 5.
So this is 75, but this length is 2.5 and this length is 2.5. So this will be 75 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, which is nothing else but 80. In this one, this is 75, this is 2.5, this is 2.5. So this will also be 80.
80.
So area of the bigger one, we will get it.
6,400.
Now to find the area of this region, the bigger region minus this one, if we'll do it, can we find the area of this one?
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Please do it and let me know the answer. The area of the bigger one minus area of the smaller one will give the area of this shaded region.
Sir,
Yes.
the area is 775 meters square.
I want the area of the shaded region. Can you?
Yes, sir.
775 meters square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
775 meters square.
775 meters square, you have got the area. How? See, area of the bigger, area of this one, bigger square is equals to 80 into 80, 6400. Area of the field, 75 into 75, which is 25, it's 50, 5625, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
area of the shaded region is equals to 5625 minus 6400, which is you are getting as 25
775.
775.
770.
775
75
meter square,
meter square.
area of the shaded region. Now the next question is cost of cementing this at the rate of 7 rupees per meter square. You have found the area of this one. Now per meter you are paying rupees 7 to do cementing. So what is the total amount you have paid for this area?
Sir, 5
So
or
7
5.
into 775.
Please raise your hand. Everyone don't tell me. It's a cross talk. Yes, Mona, tell me.
So 7 into 775.
What is the value, total cost? 775 into 7 is what?
5,420.
I have asked Mona, I think. I asked Mona to tell me. Yes, Mona?
So 5425.
5425 rupees. Got it, everyone? Aryan, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Anyone problem in understanding this question? Total area was 775. We have all found it. Total area. This point, did you understand how you have gotten 775? Now, this is 775 meter square area. So for 1 meter square, we are paying rupees 7. So for 775, what we will pay? This into this. Unitary method, what you have studied. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next question. The side of a triangular field is 2.5 times its corresponding altitude. So triangular field, so draw a triangle. The side of a triangular field is 2.5 times its corresponding altitude. The cost of leveling the field, okay. Is this one the length and the side? Okay. So they are telling that altitude, perpendicular, height, everything means 90 degree. Okay, that distance. So this is, if this is h, this is 2.5 h. They have said, na, it is 2.5 times its corresponding, sorry. The side of the triangular field is this one. The side of the triangular field is 2.5 times its corresponding altitude. So if the altitude is h, what will be the base of this one? 2.5 h. This is given in the question.
Yes, sir.
This is a field whose base is 2.5 times the altitude. So if altitude is h, base will be 2.5 h. Did you get it, this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now part 2 of this question. The cost of leveling the field at the rate of rupees, rate is what? Rupees 52 per meter square is rupees total cost 31460. So find the length of side of each corresponding and its corresponding altitude. So you have to find altitude and you have to find base. Rate is rupees 52 per meter square and total cost is this one. So Diya,
Sir,
rate is given, total cost is given. Can you find the area? Yes, no, tell me.
no, sir.
Mohit,
Yes, sir.
tell me, can you find the area of the triangle?
Sir, we can.
How?
Sir, so we have to first write the formula for the area of the triangle.
Okay, I'll write
Half
it.
into
I will write. Area of triangle is equals to half base into height.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
So as we know that the total cost is 31460.
Huh.
So per meter is 52. So 52 into half into 2.5 into 2.5 h into h is equal to 31460.
Okay, you are telling that 52 into 2.
No, sir. Yeah. Yes.
2.5 h into h.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this is equals to what?
This is equal to 31460.
31460.
Zero.
So what is 31460? Total cost.
Cost. Yes, sir.
So 52 rupees. And what happened to this half?
Half, sir. Yes, I forgot to say it. Sorry, sir.
So half into 2.5 h into h. This is what you're telling. Means area into per meter square 52 is equals to 31460. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So you can find the value of h from here. So this will be 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. So 31460 by 26 is equals to 2.5 h square. Can you find the value of h, Mohit?
Yes, sir.
And what is the value of h?
I'm still doing it, sir.
What he has done, so as we have studied, to find total area is equals to total cost divided by rate, which is what? Total area is equals to total cost 31460 by 52, which will come as, I think it will be 605. So we have got area. Now area into area, you have got 605 is what? Half base into height, that is half 2.5 h into h. So this will be 1210 by 2.5 is equals to h square. And you find the value of h and tell me.
So, can I
Tell
answer?
me.
Sir, h equal to 22.
H is equals to 22.
22.
Okay. So h she has got as 22. So replacing here 2.5 into 22, and here this is 22. 2.5 into 22 will be
55.
55. Did you get it, everyone?
Sir, no, sir. Understand clearly.
Pardon?
I did not understand clearly.
Okay. So total area is total cost by rate. You write it in your notebook. This is the formula. So total cost is, what is total cost? 31460 divided by what is rate? 52. So 31460 divided by 50 is what? 605. We have got total area, this 605, total area of this triangle is 605. Now to find the area of this one, what? Half base into height, half into 2.5 h into h, which is equals to 605. And then you have to find the value of h. Anyone has doubt, please let me know.
So could you move, please?
What, Mohit? I didn't get you.
So could you move little bit? I'm just writing, that's why.
No, did you understand it or not? Monita, did you understand it?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay.
So, how did you get 2.5 H, sir?
What is base?
Okay, sir, okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you can't tell me again this because some internet issue I went out.
Okay. This is a triangular field with 2.5 H base and H height. Did you
Yes,
understand
sir.
this one? This is the question. Now they are doing some leveling of this field at rupees 52 per meter square. Okay.
Okay.
And total amount he spent is 31460. So what is the total area? How you will find what is the total area he did the leveling?
So by the area of triangle.
Area of triangle, but this thing is given.
Yes, sir.
Total cost of leveling is given and rate is given. How you will find total area of the triangle?
So like 3 1 like you should divide total cost by rate.
Yes, very good. So by dividing total cost by rate, we'll get the area, that is 605, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now this is what? 2.5 H and this is H.
Yes, sir.
So area will be half into 2.5 H into H is equals
Yeah,
to
okay.
605.
Oh, yes, yes.
And then can you find
Okay.
area?
Thank you, sir.
Height?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next question. I'm giving you, please write it.
So, 1 second.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The question is a square field of site 25 meter. A square field of side 25 meter and a rectangular field of length 28 meter. A square field of side 25 meter and a rectangular field of length 28 meter have the same perimeter. Means the perimeter of rectangular field and square field is same. Which field has a larger area?
Sir, can you repeat again?
A square field of side 25 meter and a rectangular field of length 28 meter have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area?
Sir, done, sir.
Done. Okay. Please raise your hand, those who are done. Yes, Surya.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it together.
Okay, sir.
So a rectangular field. So I will draw a rectangle and a square. They are telling the square field of each side 25. So square is 25. And a rectangular field of length, this length is 28. Okay. Have the same perimeter. So first find the perimeter. What will the perimeter of this? Surya?
100 centimeter.
4 into 25 is equals to 100. Okay, 100 meter. And what will the perimeter of this? If let's suppose this is x, so perimeter is 100. Both have same perimeter. So 100 equals to 2 into 28 plus x. So we have to find the value of x. So 50 equals to 28 plus x. X is equals to 30, 22, na?
Yes, 22.
So we got 22. Now they have signed which has the more area. Area of this rectangle will be
616.
yeah, will be 28 into 22 is what? 616.
Yes, sir.
And area of square will be
625.
25 into 25 is 625 meter square. This is meter square. So area of square is more. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
Yes.
I did it like 4.
Everyone has understood this one and written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next question. A shape of a field is rectangle. A shape of a field is rectangle. So I will draw a rectangle. A shape of a field is rectangle in the middle and semicircular at two ends. Semicircular at two ends. So I will draw a semicircle. At two ends shown in figure. Find the area of the field. So this is 18 meter and this is 7 meter. Can you find the area of these two?
Yes, sir.
Semicircle at the end, in the middle, rectangle. Find the area quickly.
Sir,
Yes.
126.
No.
So 115.5 meters square.
Yeah. Others, please do. Yes, Monita. Open your camera. Yes, tell me how to do it.
So first we have to find the radius. So we have to multiply.
You see here, don't see in your notebook. You have already solved. You can
Okay.
just see here and tell me.
So half into 7 first to find the radius.
Radius of
Because
this one.
it should be half of the diameter. So half into 7.
So 7 is the diameter. So radius will be diameter by 2. That is, this is the diameter.
Yes.
7 by 2, which is
3.5 meter.
Okay. Now.
So now first we'll find the area of the rectangle. So we'll subtract both the radius, both the sides. So 3.5 into 2.
So this is the radius, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is the radius. You have
Yes,
found,
sir.
you have found 3.5 and 3.5.
3.5.
So this will be.
We have to subtract 18 minus 7.
Let's suppose A, B, C, D. So AD will be what? AD will be 18, this full, minus this one, minus this one, minus 3.5, minus 3.5. So it is 11. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Did you get others? Did you get how it came? 11? This distance?
Yes, sir.
11. Everyone
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And
Yes,
this
sir.
one is already given 7. So area of ABCD or rectangle is equals to 11 into 7, 77 meter square. Okay, we have got the area of this one. Now area of semicircle. Area of semicircle. And there are 2 semicircles. So first area of one semicircle will be what? Yes, Monita, where have you gone?
So,
Yeah.
yes, sir. So we have to multiply 2 into
The
half
area of
pi r
semicircle I'm asking. What is area of semicircle, Monita? Why you are seeing your notebook? What is
So-
area of semicircle I'm asking?
So half into pi r square.
Half into pi r square. Yes. Half into pi r square. So half into 22 by 7 r square. Radius you know 3.5. 3.5 ko we can write 35 by 10 the whole square. Correct? And since there are 2 semicircles, so total area of 2 semicircle is equals to 2 into 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. This gone. 7 5s are 5 2s are 2 11. So what comes? 11 into 35 by 10. So what is the value? $77 by 7 by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 5, 38.5. And this you have to add it. This you have got the area of this one, and area of this you have got 77. So both you have to add.
115.5.
Guys, any difficulty in understanding this? Please let me know. I'll do it again.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a rectangle and this is a semi-circle with diameter 7. Correct? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's given. Now this is the diameter. So radius will be what? 3.5? 3.5? 3.5 all around 3.5? Here also 3.5, 3.5, 3.5 all around.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this is given 18. 18, what is 18 given? This full length. From here to here it is given 18. And since this is a rectangle, we have to find this one. So this one will be what? 18 minus 3.5 and minus 3.5 will be AD distance.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will be 11 and this is 7. It's given, 7 is given. So area of this will be what? Area of this will be 77. 11 into 7.
7.
Now area of the semicircle. What is the area of a circle? Aryan, what is area of circle?
So, pi r square.
And what will be the area of semicircle?
1 by 2, like half into pi r square.
So half into pi r square I have written, correct?
Yes, sir.
And what is the radius in this figure?
3.5.
3.5. So half into 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 whole square we can write.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And can you simplify this? Once you will simplify, you will get a value. So that is the area of one side.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the area of other side? Same.
Yes, sir.
So that value plus into 2 will be 38.5. So now you have got the area of this 2. 38.5. So total area will be what? This plus this plus this. So this is the area of this plus this. So this plus this is area of the whole figure.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now one question again I'm giving you. Everyone having problem in understanding this, please ask me now again. Please mute your mic, Aryan. Any guy still having problem in understanding, please ask me. Okay. So a question is, a floor tile has the shape of a parallelogram. A floor tiles have a shape of a parallelogram. Tile is in the shape of a parallelogram, whose base is 18 centimeter. Whose base is 18 centimeter. And the corresponding height is 10 centimeter. Okay. How many such tiles are required to cover the floor of area 72 meters square? How many such tiles are required to cover the area of 72 meters square?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
40.
No, that's not the correct answer.
So 4,000.
Acha,
So 4,000.
Sir, 13,020.
So 4,000.
So 40.
the question is 72 meter square area.
So 4,000.
1,000.
Area is 72 meters square and this shape is in centimeter. Please redo. Those who are getting, I mean 4,000 is the right answer. Those who couldn't understand, couldn't get 4,000, please redo it. That is in centimeter and area is in meter. Chitna?
Yes, sir.
What is the area of parallelogram? Chitna, please switch on your camera.
Yes, sir.
Switch on your camera. Yeah, what is the area of parallelogram?
Breadth into height.
Huh?
Breadth into height.
Breadth into height. Okay. So here what will be the area of this parallelogram? Tell me.
So 10 centimeter into 18 centimeter.
What is base here?
18 centimeter.
Okay. 18 into 10, which is 180 centimeter square. Area will always be in square. Now, total area is given this one. So what we have to do now?
Total area by the area of one tile.
But both are into different units.
So we need to convert the meter into centimeter.
So tell me, what is the conversion? Which one you have to want to convert? This one or this one?
So 72.
Okay. So what we'll do?
72 into 1000. I mean
Into?
100.
Into?
100.
100?
1000. 1000.
1000? What is the conversion table? Tell me. What is the conversion table?
Millimeter.
Millimeter,
Centimeter.
centimeter,
Meter.
meter.
10.
Monita, switch on your camera.
So we have
Yes.
to multiply 10,000.
You have to first tell me the conversion table. Why 10,000? You prove it. Tell me the conversion table. You have multiplied 10,000. Very good. But why 10,000? You have to tell me here.
Sir, can I tell?
No, she has to tell now. Only Monita will tell. Because she has given the right answer. So she has done it. Yes, tell me.
Or I just know it's 10,000, like I forgot that.
Monita, I want this conversion table now. You have done this question, right?
Yes, sir.
So you would have done that conversion, then only you can do. How you can say 10,000? Why 10,000?
Sir, I remember it is 10,000.
What do you remember that it is 10,000? What is 10,000? And why 10,000? Okay, you have know it 10,000. Why 10,000? Tell me, Monita, everyone is waiting for you.
I don't know, sir.
Why 10,000 you have multiplied? This is what I'm asking, not even asking the conversion table. I'm asking why 10,000? Switch on your camera, it's off now. You multiplied with 10,000, right? Monita,
Yes, sir.
you multiplied with 10,000. My question is, why you multiplied
Because
with 10,000?
1 meter equals 100 centimeter and meter square equals 1000. That's why.
Huh? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Is it? When you have solved this question, you know why 10,000. And you have to tell me why 10,000. You're going correct. Tell me. Go ahead. Tell me.
Sir, because like it is 100, so like the square, that's why. Just
So square, so 10,000. So why, how you can say, if I'll ask you 1 centimeter is equals to how many decimeter, how you will do? Only you know meter and centimeter, nothing else. If I'll ask you how 1 centimeter is equals to how many kilometer, can you tell? Who knows this conversion table? Just raise.
Sir, I know.
Raise
Sir,
your hand.
I know, sir.
Raise your hand, Monita. You lower down your hand. Others, raise your hand. Those who know this conversion table. 3 of you. That's it. Shreyas, tell me. Shreyas, you raised your hand. I saw you raised your hand, Shreyas. Has he gone out? I think he's gone. Anyway, then Amitabh. Amitabh? Okay, he is also not there. Then Pragya,
Sir,
tell me.
sir, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter. Sir, can I say the like the short forms?
I'm writing it. Tell me na.
Sir,
Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter.
Milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilometer.
So what I have to write here, left side? Same decimeter, meter, deca, hectare, kilometer. Now what is the equivalent of this? Pragya,
Yes, sir.
tell me. I have written it. What you said. What is equal to what?
Sir, 1 millimeter equals to 10 centimeter.
Acha, 1 millimeter is equals to.
Sir, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter.
Acha, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Then.
Yes, sir. So 1 second.
1 second, matlab you are just turning around the pages.
No, sir.
Then 1 minute, why? Anyway, I'm writing it. You're correct. So you have to write like this. Surya.
Yes, sir.
How to do conversion? If I say 1 centimeter is equal to 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. How? Why? This says 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. How?
Sir, 100 centimeters equal to 1000 decimeter.
100 centimeter. No, how to do conversion? You don't give me figures. How to do conversion by seeing this table? This is a table given. How to do the conversion?
Okay, sir. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter.
1 meter is equals to decimeter. Sorry, huh? Sorry. हाँ, correct ना? मिली, सेंटी, डेसीमीटर, देखा हेक्टर, किलोमीटर, सेंटीमीटर, डेसीमीटर, मीटर, देखा हेक्टर. हाँ, tell me.
Sir, now we know that 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. So 10 into 10.
1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay.
And 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters.
Decimeter.
So 10 into 10, 100.
Okay, good. So see, when we are asking 1 centimeter is goes to how many meters? Meter is big or centimeter is big?
So meter is big.
So when you go from lower to higher, you divide. When you go from higher to lower, you multiply. This is one thing. Please write everyone this table and what I am writing it here. When you move from lower to higher, you divide. When you move from higher to lower, you multiply. Now question is, what you multiply or what you divide? So when we move from centimeter to meter, how many places we have moved? 2 places, 1, 2. So we divide it by every place is 10. So 10 into 10, 100. Divide by 100 and multiply by 100. Or we say number of places you go down, that many 0, 1 and that many 0. So when we go down by 2 places, we divide by 100 and we multiply by 100. Simple. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
When we first, this table should be on your tips. 10, 1, 10, 1, 10, 1, 10, 1, like that. When you move from lower to higher, you divide. When you move from higher to lower, you multiply. Now question is, what you divide, what you multiply. Number of steps you move down or you move up, that many zeros, that is 1, and that many zeros. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now area is given 72 meters square. Now we have to convert it into centimeter because this is centimeter. So since it is square, that means you have to multiply 100 into 100. So which is 7 to 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter square. 100 2 times. Why? Because it is square. That's why 2 times. If it is cube, then 3 times. If it is 1, no square, nothing, only then 1 time. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Now area of parallelogram, you know, this divided by this will be the number of tiles required, which is equals to 5000. Number of tiles 7 to 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 180, which is 4000. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for everyone, only one homework, that is from Longman. I am sending the picture now on WhatsApp. 14.1 you are supposed to do. Everyone has to do Longman, the picture I am going to send.
Okay.
As homework.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
Thank
sir.
you,
sir.
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 Sir.